My name is Red and I am the co-owner of the social media platform Baggys TV and the clothing brand Baggys.uk. And Theo Clough basically transformed our Shopify and e-commerce business to the next level. The guy came in, he took care of all the emails and the email campaigns, which started to see some serious revenue that we hadn't yet tapped into because we didn't really know much about the email campaigns. We knew we had to do them, but we didn't know how to start them, and that's where Theo came in. Not only that, he recommended us a load of different apps to make our Shopify website easy to navigate for our customers, because at the end of the day, the easier your website is to navigate, the more sales you're going to get, the more revenue, the more profits. And remember, you might think you know what you need to do, but trust me, you don't. You've got to get someone on your team that's got years and years of experience, stuff that they've done before, they've learned themselves, and Theo's got a vast level of experience when it comes to e-commerce and Shopify experience. He comes in, he tells you what you need to do, he helps you do what you need to do, and it transforms your business. He got us onto Trustpilot, which is something that every business should definitely be on. If you're a content creator like myself, it is hard work to be doing everything at once, and that is exactly why we brought Theo in. I didn't have time to learn everything, Big Sam didn't have time to learn everything, and we needed someone just to come in, tell us what to do, and transform the business, which is exactly what Theo Clough did. If you're looking to level up your e-commerce business, get in touch with Theo. He's going to sort you out. Take it from me at Baggys TV. He's the guy to transform your business to the next level.